Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can apply false lashes using your fingers. First up, you have to curl your lashes so that the falsies can align with the curve of the natural lashes. After that, you have to apply 1 to 2 coats of mascara on both upper and lower lashes. This is what my natural lashes look like. I've been loving these lashes from LiQWYD's brand that I bought from Amazon. It comes with a glue so you don't have to buy it separately. This is how it looks, and now before I put the glue, I like to give a little curve to the band so that it will align with the curve of my natural lash line. If you don't have any applicator in your glue, don't worry, you can also use any toothpick or hairpin to apply the glue on the lash band, and always put a little extra glue on the corners. Don't apply this right away. Let this glue dry for about 15 to 20 seconds so that it will hold onto your lash line properly. Now I like to keep my mirror down very close to my chin, and I look down so that I can see my eyes in the mirror. Now you have to place the lashes first in the center really close to the lash line, and then start adjusting it in the corners very gently. You can see I am just using my thumb and index finger to do that. Gently push the lash inwards and keep pressing it with natural lashes together. Once the glue is completely dry, you can again apply the mascara to blend the lashes together. The final step is to cover up any glue residue peeking through the lashes. For this, I prefer to use any kind of sketch eyeliners. That's it. The falsies are on. It's that simple. You just have to practice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found this helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care.